Yo, what's up sa inyo mga kabatak? This is day 9 of sharing a collectible. And bago ko i-share yung collectible na i-share ko sa inyo, ay gusto ko muna magkwento ng konti. So, when I started collecting, Batman lang talaga yung kinokollect ko. So, hindi nga siya hardcore kasi McFarlane lang yung kinokollect ko. It's cheap in a sense kasi there are other collectibles such as Mayfax, Hot Toys, no? And in comparison with the pricing, medyo mura yung McFarlane. It has good details, good articulation. I mean, not bad compared sa ibang collectibles, and the sizing is actually medyo okay. Medyo malaking konti. So, I got hooked into it talaga. And then, meron ako mga tropang Batman collectors din. Actually, napakadami kasi Batman is the number one superhero. Yan, fight me on that. Pero anyway, lagi namin naiisip na, or natatawa kami sa mga anime collectors. And don't get me wrong, okay? Alam kong maraming resin, alam kong maraming mamahaling items ng anime. Pero they have this specific line na talagang sobrang mura. Minsan kasi pag nakikita namin yung mga online sellers ng anime, sobrang bagsak presyo talaga. As in, sobrang mura. And bakit sobrang mura? And McFarlane, nagmumura din naman. Pero like, minsan kasi or madalas yung anime, parang patapon yung presyo. But again, nagkaroon lang, that was me before. So parang grabe, parang hindi worth it mag-collect ng anime. But now, knowing that I'm actually a batang 90s and my childhood heavily revolved into anime rin naman, no? Tuwing hapon, tuwing gabi. I really should say na I'm an anime fan talaga. I've watched a lot of animes and yun yung gusto ko i-share sa inyo. Parang I just had this realization that I'm glad that, these great anime figures are actually going for a very cheap price. Even if it is not part of my main collection, I'm still able to purchase them, somehow display them, and it makes me feel happy that I have these figures. So, ito yung konti pala kasi ito lang ata ang aking anime na figures, or I don't know, statue. Hindi ko alam kung anong category na ito eh. But these are Grandista. Okay? They are made by Bandai Namco. Actually, not sure. Parang part of Bandai. And this items actually goes for a very cheap price. So, itong Luffy na to, Luffy Gear 5, this is Grandista. I think I purchased this for 650 pesos. That was mint in box. Pangit lang yung box. But the figure is actually sealed. This one, I got this for 450 pesos. Same. But I know sa iba, it's around like 800 pesos pa. Okay, but look at that. Look at the scale. It's so big. Ito yung Batman natin on day 8. This is 112 scale. And look at, actually, 110 scale yata to eh. Yeah, 110 scale to. 7 inches yung Batman pag tumayo. But, you see a difference, ang laki. Okay? And take note ha, the details on this figure statues, no? Wow talaga. Okay, so ito si Hisoka. One of my favorite villains ng Hunter x Hunter. Look at the abs. Look at the details, yung mga ugat. Okay. This one, medyo hindi pa rin mahal. Pero, I got this for 800 pesos yata. Okay. And the last one of my latest purchases. Ito, nabenta sa akin nung, medyo sikat yata ang anime seller yun. I forgot the name. Anyways, I got this for 800 pesos. Pero, I was seeing this in the market that goes around 700 pesos. Okay? So, these are Grandista figures. Okay? They say na it's not the best when it comes to details, the way it looks, and the scale and all. But I'm super satisfied with how they look, number one. Number two is that the pricing. And number three, the scale. I love the scale. It's very displayable. Yun nga lang, parang even it's displayable, it's gonna eat up a lot of space. So, yun lang yung kalaban natin sa mga anime figures. So, again, please lang, I know that we have our own preference when it comes to collecting. Yung iba, they feel like if they purchase it with a much expensive price, it gives more value. I mean, obviously, the value is higher, but para sa akin, kung ano yung nagpapasaya sa inyo sa kinokolekta nyo, I think that's the most important part. So, it doesn't matter how much it is, it doesn't matter kung anong tingin ng ibang tao, ang mahalaga, masaya ka dahil may collection ka, masaya ka pag nakikita mo yung mga laruan mo. And yun yung mahalaga sa pagkokolekta. Huwag natin kakalimutan yan. Sheesh!